Thanks for taking the time to listen to us. This week we want to focus on business continuity. There have been quite a few concerns that during this coronavirus period, the virus has the potential to destroy us economically way before it destroys us health-wise. So for clarity's sake for everyone, I'm going to use an example of a company we are going to call XYZ Limited. In the current COVID-19 environment, XYZ Limited is struggling to understand how to respond to this crisis. They have 100 staff members, 80 of whom are critical for production and sales within the company and for business continuity. XYZ have advised those who can work from home to do so, but they still have 75 employees coming into the office on a daily basis. On top of this, they have about 10 to 15 visitors coming in every day, which is a significant drop from an initial number of about 50 visitors daily. XYZ CEO is having sleepless nights because he really has seen such a huge drop in business in actually just 1 week. He's concerned he might have to let go of 80% of his workforce. He's also concerned about having confirmed COVID-19 cases within his company and what that will do for their business. They have a very active distributorship chain for delivery of finished product within the East African market. In terms of measures they have taken, they are now screening everyone who walks into the company at the gate with an infrared thermometer and watching out for anyone with a temperature above 37 degrees Celsius. They have also purchased and installed over 100 sanitizer dispensers across the whole premises, and almost all the employees are now working with masks throughout the day. Despite this, employee morale is at an all-time low, with fear, panic and resentment being the common emotions across the organization. Most of the employees are feeling resentful that they have to stay in Nairobi and continue working, whereas many of their friends from other companies have gone up country. So as you can see, there are some valid questions of concern here, such as how do I protect myself? And how do I protect my employees and my company? How do we stay productive in this environment? What if the situation worsens? How bad can it get? How long is this pandemic expected to continue? There are some solutions. It's not all doom and gloom. And some of these are the ones we want to explore in our next session, which will be a session on corporate risk assessment and mitigation for the COVID-19. Some of the questions will be how to undertake health risk assessments and make informed decisions. As you are going to see, the approach taken by XYZ Limited is not the best approach once you've done a risk assessment. How to implement prevention and mitigation measures, and what is the difference between the two? What is the need for a business continuity plan? And how to explore ways to continue being productive through this period and deliver your products and services. Maybe in different and innovative ways that we've not thought about until this crisis has arisen. The session on risk assessment and mitigation measures will be a paid session, and we shall notify you in the next few days on when we'll do this session. It will be on webinar so that we can maintain social distancing. We hope that with our support, corporates will be able to continue being as productive as they can through this challenging time. Thank you.